searching for a comfort I couldn't find on my own. Come on. No direction. Feeling down. My life was headed for disaster until you turned me around. Nothing ever been able to ease me when trying to please me. It only pleased me less. Now I know about the way that you love me. You put your honor above me. It only gave me rest. Lead me to rest, Lord. Lead me to rest. Lead me to the relief I found from the burden that was weighing me down. Lead me to rest. Oh, lead me to rest. What a comfort. Come on. What a peace. What a bitter. What you offered me. How can it be so real? What should I offer in return? And the values of the blessings no one can ever return. Now you tell me that I'm really forgiven. Got a reason for living. And you made that sun come in. No longer when the devil would charm me. When evil would harm me. And you made Lord, show me you. On my journey, Lord, the relief I felt from the way that laid down. Lead me to rest. In the world, my life was slowly sinking.